Hello, everyone. So today's lead code is largest odd number in a string. So it is also a very easy problem, and let's understand this. So we have given a string, and we need to find out the largest odd value. So let's take the example. We have given this string 52. So in this, the largest odd number is 5. Okay. And the possible numbers that can be formed out of this string are 5, 2, and 52. Out of these three, 2 and 52 are even numbers, and 5 is the only odd number. So we have returned 5 as answer. In the second example, we don't have any odd number. This entire number itself is a even number, and if we are breaking it, if we are making substrings of this string, then those also are not returning us the odd number, so we will return the empty string. In the third example, we can see this entire string, if we convert this into a number, is an odd number. So this is how we have to return the largest odd number. So the approach to solve this problem is very simple. If we see this number from last, if this digit is odd, then we can say this entire number will be an odd number. So this will be our approach for solving this problem. We will check the each and every digit from last, and as soon as we will get the odd number, we will take out the substring from the given string from the beginning, that is from 3 to the position where we have got this odd number, and we will return that as our answer. So this is it for the explanation. Now I will code it quickly. So for that, I will run a loop from very beginning, from the right side of the string. So for that, I will take num dot length -1. So that will be the last index. Then we will come up till last in worst case, that till first index, and we need to decrement in every iteration. So this is our loop, very simple. Now we are going to get a character, suppose C, at every position. So num dot char at. So this is a method which returns us the character at the given position. But this is a character. We want a numerical value. So for that, we know the sky value of digits from 0, that a sky value of 0 is 48. So uh, a sky for 0 is 48, and a sky for 1 is 49, and a sky for 2 is 50. I can show you the uh, chart, a sky code. So you can see that for 0 it is 48, for 1 it is 49, for 2 it is 50. So if I subtract, if I am getting the, suppose I'm getting the character 3 at any position, and I want to get the numerical value corresponding to this character, then what I will do, I will subtract this ASCII value 51 I will subtract the value of 0, ASCII value of 0, that is 48. So 51 minus 48, it will give us 3. So let's try one or two examples for that, so that this thing will be clear for us. Now I'll create a text box here. So for example, we have an equals, that character will be suppose 5, right? So ASCII value for 5, ASCII for 5 will be, that is 53. We can see it is 53. And ASCII, we know the ASCII for 0. ASCII for 0 is 48. So now we want to get the numerical value corresponding to this character. So this is a character. We are talking about characters. These are itself not numerical values. The corresponding numerical value is 53 and the corresponding numerical value is 48. So numerical value for numerical value for 5, that is char 5, will be 53 minus 48, and that will be 5. So this is how we can calculate the corresponding numerical value for the corresponding character. So this is very simple. Now we can get rid of this explanation. Okay, so this is understood. Let me clear this and let's go back to the coding part. Fine. So as I explained, we can have, suppose let's take n as the value, numerical value corresponding. So we have character C, whatever it is, it can be anything, minus the char value of 0. So this will give us the corresponding numerical value to the character at the position I. Now we need to check if this n is even or odd. If it is odd, it means we have found our largest. Why largest? Because we are iterating from the right side. So it means we have found our odd number. So let's divide it by, take the modulo with 2. So we know the odd number modulo with 2 gives 1. That is our go-to check for the odd numbers. So if it is an odd number, then we will directly simply return from here a substring from the beginning of this string. So num.substring, we have method substring num.substring from 0th index, that is from beginning to the current index. So if I take like this, current index I, then it will give us the substring till from 0 to I minus 1. So I need to take until I plus 1. Then it will give us the right substring. So this is our code completed. But if there is no odd number, then this loop will get completed and we don't have any return statement for that. So in the end, let me return one empty string, that is nothing. So in that case where we don't have any odd number in the entire string, then we can return simply empty string. So this is it. This is the only code for this problem. So let's try to run this. And this has got accepted. Now let's try to submit this. Uh, it is taking a bit of time, and it has got accepted. All the test cases got passed, and it is a fast solution. It is an order of n solution if we see this from the perspective of time complexity, because we are just iterating this string once. In the worst case, we will get the odd number at 0th position. So in that worst case, we have to traverse this entire string. Otherwise, uh, likely we can get the odd number at first position, as we have seen in this given example, that we have started our loop from here, and we have the first number itself is odd number. So we can simply return the entire string. So in that case, it is very fast. That is the best case, that at the first place we have got the odd number. And in the worst case scenario, we will go till here. Okay, in the worst case scenario, we will go, suppose take the example of this number. Uh, in the worst case scenario, we will traverse the entire uh, string, first six, then zero, then two, and then four. But we will not get any odd number. This entire for loop will get completed for this example. And in the end, we will return this empty string. You can see the output is empty string. That's why I'm returning this empty string. So I think now you all have got this explanation. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and take care of your health, and just keep growing. All the best from my side. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye. Take care, and